Is it doable? This is nerve-wracking. Journey through this guy's back garden. Begin. Welcome everybody to the first installment of this YouTube channel. Today, me and Rylan attempt to hike through a vast amount of private property, intending to reach a forest in which we found on Google Earth, hoping that it will be a viable place for us to spend the night. Without further ado, let's get on to the video. Just jump it.
It's a waterproof cover.
Alright, far that way we've got to go, but we have to go left first so we can get past that marshy ground.
Watch out for cow shit, even though you have fruits on it's just unpleasant.
It is unpleasant. Brambles. It's a telltale sign that we're in for some arduous adventure. There's a little path here. So we found this spot on Google Earth. It's basically just a patch of forest about, what did we say, like 5 kilometers that way, through fields, farmers' fields, houses. I don't think we're just walking into the house. And there's a river that we have to cross. Might have to, imagine if we had to get undressed and swim through. That'd be kind of hot.
I don't know if these birds are helping or not, but they're helping me traverse.
Nice.
That's what matters.
Because like, if we can heat our socks and that, everything is pretty much, like we've brought bacon and tin foil.
Yeah.
That's our 2 ingredients. We just need a nice fire. But the ground's so wet, dry wood is going to be so hard.
We need to find somewhere. Like, that's what I'm saying, like under trees, even though that's kind of risky, that land could be dry because the trees block the land.
Yeah. So we need dry wood.
Dry wood. You brought the fire starter?
Yeah. So we're just walking along and then these cows just get up and start running. Hopefully not towards us, because where are they going?
They're circling us.
Oh my god. Why are they so, like, I've never seen cows get so, maybe they're just like thinking where the herd is.
Yeah, because usually the herders sit just somewhere away from the cows and they just kind of go somewhere. Or they're trying to hide in there.
Hide from what? Maybe they're beef cows and they think...
They are beef cows.
Yeah, well they think their time's up and we're...
We're just out here.
We're just out here to just...
They're behind us.
Oh shit.
I kind of want to hop the fence here pretty quick.
Yeah. Bro, back off! Fuck off! Ah!
Oh god.
This is nerve-wracking.
We're actually falling. Back.
Back!
Day.
Oh.
I mean, they're just trained like this, I think, so. Day.
Get away!
Get away.
I had to, hey!
Hey!
I had to resort to this. I didn't want to.
I didn't want to have to resort.
Oi!
Oi! Oi!
Get back!
Get back.
I'm not a cow guy. I'm just hoping shouting at them works. Oi!
Oi!
Get away!
Get away. climb up this pretty quickly. Brambles over there.
Wait, I was actually nervous, eh?
Yeah.
There were so many of them.
I've heard so many stories about cows.
And all I could do was just yell at them and hope that worked. Wait, Rylan, get over, they're coming. You got it. Nice. I've never seen, like, when we're in Luke's farm and we see cows, they don't usually, like, as soon as they see a person, get up and just start bolting away. Like, that's behavior that I haven't seen before. I mean, we might be able to jump across if we can't.
That looks solid right here.
Yeah. If we can't.
You can go on the outside, like through there.
Yeah, but once we get out, we have to try and go as far right as we can because we're going off trail here. Alright, so do I try and jump?
I reckon and try and latch onto something.
Alright. Here, go. Throw the tent.
Okay.
Hope so.
I'll just try and land exactly where you want.
Yeah, hold up. Nice. Show me there. Oh, were they white?
They were white.
Alright, so we've just hunkered down on this tree. I didn't record much of it, but getting through that, so when I stopped up the brambles, we actually went back down the river, or whatever it was, and we put our, oh my god, and we put our entire feet in the river to get across, and we just, and we just spent ages trying to find a place to get through all the weeds. Anyway,
you found a spot.
We're gonna let all this water get off our shoes.
Kind of tends to go barefoot and but shoes.
Yeah, that's honestly better because then you don't have that disgusting wet sock.
Oh, look at that. That's what it's meant to be.
White compared to that. Holy shit. Anyway, we're just gonna sit here, enjoy some lunch, and enjoy our victory of getting across that, which shouldn't have taken that long, but it did. Hopping barbed wire fences is actually a lot tougher than you think. Alright, now this land to get traversed through. Oh, only just grabbed that. That would have been tragic end to the trip. This is very dangerous. Nice. Next step is that tree up there. Nice.
This tree's a saver right now.
Just wait.
You can get that. Whoa. No, put all my weight on that.
Nice.
Shit.
Holy fuck. Alright.
You reckon I'm right just to climb up?
Yeah. Nice.
Put my hand in some shit, I think.
Same. Fuck, I stink. Woo! That cow's standing up now.
Yeah.
Don't worry, bro, we're not harming you. This fence is very high.
I reckon we use this.
Yeah. Is it doable? Might try this one. This one's easy, bro. Whoa. Nice. All right, let's go. Continue. You rejoin us in a hairy situation. We've got a house right there. We can look out the window and just see us. We wanted to go into that paddock left, but we didn't want to go into that massive paddock full of cows because of the cows of earlier. And then up ahead, we've got this house. So, not a good spot to be. You rejoin us, having traversed through those fields past this guy's window, which was wide open. And we've decided to hunker down in this little corner. We've got a nice view, but the next chapter is you can't see, but there's a bunch of cows in there, or someone's back garden, so we have to make a choose. But for now, let's sit down, eat some food, and we'll see you in a little bit. Probably cut that out. Here it is. Journey through this guy's back garden. Begin.